Hey, happy Friday. Sean coming at you from High Level. So I wanted to do a quick roundup of some back-end updates that I think are really useful for everybody to know. Because it should make your lives better, even if it just means you never see a problem. And also because I always love to expose kind of how we do things on the back end, even when you can't really see those updates. So jumping into it real quick, you can see here the workflow team actually went out and cleaned up our Redis usage. And Redis is essentially just a memory storage database thing. You can Google it. It's very common and standard. But what we did is we actually shifted workflows to their own Redis cluster, so that way we would get a lot more throughput. We would isolate any errors that might happen, and giving us less single points of failure in our infrastructure. So you should honestly see nothing from this except for the fact that workflows probably will run a little faster, and they'll just be less susceptible to any kind of outage if there is one Redis cluster or goes down in a certain region versus another. So I think the team did a fantastic job there. So next up, two things. So one is WordPress. We just launched a brand new upgrade to our WordPress infrastructure. And again, it's all on the back end, but it should basically give you a lot more scalability, a lot more throughput on the sites, all of that stuff. All new WordPress websites created today will automatically fall onto the new infrastructure, and then we will be migrating all of the existing sites next week. So anyhow, really excited about this. Really a lot of upgrades from our learning over the last 6 months of running our older WordPress infrastructure. So pretty pumped up. We've seen some amazing differences in performance. So I just wanted to pass that along. And then next up are the marketplace updates, enhancements, and bugs. So update number one here, Outlook two-way email sync. Customers can now see if the two-way email sync is broken. So for example, here you can see your Outlook connection has expired. Please disconnect. Just kind of zoom in on that. Also on the two-way email sync or the Outlook connection screen, it'll tell you as well. Great job there. GMB outbound messaging for multiple locations. So from now onward, messages sent from one location will actually show up on other locations connected to the same GMB account. So this is something that is very quickly being rolled out, where you'll actually be able to link multiple GMB accounts to the same location, and the messaging will flow with that. Custom notification type external. We've added a new custom notification type external, which helps other teams send push notifications. So that's pretty cool. And there's some bug fixes here as well that I wanted you to look at. And then again, also on the Outlook side, if you see, if you try to send an email on a broken Outlook connection, you'll get the red triangle. You put your mouse over the red triangle, and it's going to tell you, yeah, we didn't send it because it's broken. And you can also see it down here with that yellow triangle as well. So anyways, huge props to the team for getting all of this stuff out and continuing a great job on the back end, really just making things more bulletproof, really just making things more redundant, and really helping us scale more across the board. So anyways, on that note, sending it back to everybody. Hope you're having a great Friday, and I'll see you in the next video in just a sec. Thanks.